Recording in progress.
So, hello students, welcome back. Okay. So from today, we will gonna simply start the new thing, that is new programming language. Okay, and it is most demanding. Okay, most demanding and most emerging technology right now. Okay, and the name is Python. Okay, so your Python is the most demanding programming language right now in the field of your IT sector. Okay, so if you are a beginner, okay, and thinking toward moving for the programming, okay, and wants to get into the coding era, okay, then you should move with Python. Okay. Okay, so as a fresher, as a beginner, Python is a very useful, okay, and a kind of easy language for you guys, okay. And the demand of a Python right now is a very high in the IT sector, okay. The market is demanding for the Python language, okay. Python simply developed, okay. So if you are good in Python language, okay, and also you are become just familiar with the Python frameworks and its libraries, okay, then I'm damn sure, guys, I'm damn sure your demand in the market will become very high, okay. So this is the power of your Python language right now, okay, because our today uh, the technologies like yeah, that is simply your machine learning and the artificial artificial intelligence. These all are the built and they all run on the base of your Python programming language. Okay, so if you are a Python developer, then you can also get into the field of your machine learning. And if you are good in the Python, then the artificial intelligence field is also for you guys. Okay, uh, that is why the Python is very useful right now in the market. Okay, so let's start the basics. Okay, and today we will simply discuss the basics of your Python programming, and we will see that why Python is more important. Okay, and it is how it is useful and easy as compared to other programming languages. Okay, so let me share my desktop screen, and then we will continue our today lecture. Okay, so uh, you can see, guys, if I will open my PPT here, see the Python introduction. Okay, so first of all, what is Python? Okay, so Python is a popular programming language, and it was created by your Guido van Rossum, okay, in 1991. Okay, and it is used for the web development, software development, mathematics, and the system scripting. Okay, means the Python language can be used in the field of your web development. Okay, and generally your Python used in the backend part. Okay, software development. Okay, and with dealing for the mathematics. Okay, and many other stuffs. Okay, what can Python do? The power of Python. Okay, what things can Python do? Okay, so the Python can be used on the server or to create the web application that we had seen here, that in the web development your Python can be used in your backend part. Okay, and by using your Python you can simply deal with the your databases in the developing of your web applications. Okay, and Python can be used alongside the software to create the workflow. Okay, and Python can connect your database systems, and it also can read and modify the files. Okay, as I had told you that Python can also deal with your databases, and you can simply establish the connection with your databases and the web application front-end bad. Okay, and you can perform the read, write, and any kind of modification in your file by using your Python programming language. Okay, and Python can be used to handle the big data and perform the complex mathematics. Okay, and also here's something more, that is Python can be used for the rapid prototyping and the production of the software developments. Okay, now why Python? Okay, because there are too many there are lots of programming language in the market. Okay, but why we should to and go for the Python? Okay, so as I had told you at the beginning of this lecture that your Python is the most demanding and most emerging tech, technology right now. Okay, and in the field of your machine learning and the field of your artificial intelligence, the Python is being used. Okay, so that is why the Python is more the demanding as compared to the other programming language right now. Okay, and also the syntax of your Python is very easy and simple. Okay, as compared to other computer programming languages. Okay, so the Python work on a different platform. Okay, either it is Windows, Mac, Linux. Okay, and the Python has a simple syntax. Okay, as I had already told you that the Python is having the simple syntax. Okay, and the Python has a syntax allowed a developer to write the program with the first line. Okay, means let's take a simple example, like if you are going for writing the program for the hello world. Okay, so the same program, if you are trying to write in the other programming language like Java. Okay, so for printing your hello world, you have to write at least four and five lines of code. Okay, that means you have to define the class, and then you have to define the main function, and then you have to print, you have to run the print statement. Okay, but in case of Python, you have you will do, you will directly write a single line of code, that is print hello world, and your hello world is being printed onto the screen. Okay, so this is the beauty of your Python programming. Okay, and also your Python can be treated as a visual way of object-oriented way, functional. Okay, and the Python syntax compared to the other programming language, as I had already told you that it is containing a very easy and a simple syntax as compared to other programming languages. Okay, and the semicolon, commas, it is not mattering in case of your Python programming languages. Okay, see, the Python was designed for the readability and has some similarity to the English language. Okay, and the Python use new line to complete a command as composed to the other programming language, often with the semicolon or the parenthesis. Okay, it means semicolon, parenthesis. These all things are not mattering into your Python programming. Okay, so this is the beauty and why we should go for the Python. Okay, so this is all about that your particular questions. Okay, so from our next lecture, we will see the basic terms and basic condition of your Python programming. Okay, and how you can run the first program of your Python onto your own system. Okay, and after that we will try to cover each and every topic of your Python according to your next job interview. Okay, so till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Bye bye.